It is 6:26 in the morning, and today is the first day of car week. So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm putting myself to the test. I've never recorded in public, and I promised you guys a vlog every single day. And it's going to be tough because it's daily upload, so I'm gonna have to edit everything. I'm gonna have to do all of that and then post it for you guys all same day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on the road. We do have to go to Cars and Coffee today. However, I'm getting drinks first because I am tired. It's so loud. All right, so we got the drinks. Now we're heading to 4 Till 4 Cars and Coffee. That's the event we're going to. I usually go there every single Saturday, but I'm hoping it's a little bit better. Got here? I don't know. What is that? It's a Lambo. It's a Lambo, but I don't know what kind.
It's a newer.
Oh, it's a Murcielago.
Right?
Ooh, that's nice. This is insane, actually. Oh, dude, look at this.
Is it gated?
Yes. Look at the gated transmission.
Damn, that's insane. That's so sick.
Whole gang's pulling up. Holy Skyline GTR. GTR's insane. Yeah, that's wild. That thing's nice. That thing is so nice. Lotus mirrors are insane.
What's up? Good morning.
How goes it? This is insane, actually. Holy moly. They're so nice. It's so nice,
It
though.
is. The body is just holy schlag.
This thing is so nice, dude. The front ends on this, dude. Oh my god. Dude, this thing's insane, actually. Holy shit. We're gonna have to go hit the other meet, I think.
I think we might have to.
This is insane, though.
Yeah, this is my car.
Is it?
It is, yeah.
Really?
I need to spend like 60.
Oh my god. That is insane. Oh, Remy. It's also nice. Alright, well, we are heading to the next meet because this one's probably peak right now, and well,
a little dead.
There's not much going on. I'm a cameraman for real.
Nah, put this thing back on Mars.
What do you mean we gotta wait?
No, this thing belongs on Mars.
It does. What's that little guy doing? Oh, shit!
Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Oh, this is way better than where we're.
Oh, there's an F40 here.
Yeah, there is.
Holy
Ooh. Oh my good golly.
yeah, this is insane.
Yeah, now we're talking.
This is way better
Now we're
than where we
talking.
just were. The amount of car. Oh my god, look at how many Porsches there are. That's a. Yeah, no, that's a LaFerrari. Oh my gosh. There's an Enzo too. Oh fuck. It's a treat to see Enzo. Senna. Holy shit.
Every day too, yeah.
Oh my gosh. That Senna. The Senna's insane. Oh my gosh. Yo. What's that? Huracan. This one's nice, dude. I am loving the wheels on that thing. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro. What is this thing? Damn. What is that thing?
I just don't know.
There's another turbo S4E, the gray one. Oh. Holy crap. Oh, wow. That is insane. Generation GT3 is like the best generation in my opinion.
Water spurter.
That's the weather package for you. R33. What is that? What is that? That. See, I'm taking a GT2 RS, or a GT2 over a GT2 RS, and I'm taking a GT3 RS that gen over a GT2. Oh my god! He was at 4 till 4.
Was it?
Yeah.
Today?
No. Supercar day. Nah, check it.
You don't think somebody has
You
the
have
same
to,
idea?
you have to do it. If you come across Hot Wheels in a store, you gotta look at them.
Let me get one.
It is guaranteed to be probably nothing in here, but see, these are ran through. Do you guys have a bakery section?
Yes. Go straight through here. It might be to the left.
To the left? Okay, sweet.
Now back to Supercar.
Yeah, exactly. I really like that yellow interior. That's actually nuts. Oh my god, dude. There you go.
I wouldn't be opposed.
I think I would. Oh,
Another STO.
I love, yeah, but I love that colorway. We're watching behind the scenes of content right now. Got Lewis and Edward. Just dumb. That's not a Ferrari. We're gonna go check out the Gallardo real quick.
Okay.
Oh, pug! Damn! It seems like people are slowly starting to roll out.
Yep.
Holy crap! All right, to the Gallardo.
Oh.
Oh, I want one.
Get one.
I want one. This one's probably like 120, 110, maybe.
I mean,
115.
hear me out. You were saying 570.
Yeah,
This is like not that much more.
they're about the same, I would say. I don't know, but I,
I
feel
would
like
go this.
You would?
I would.
I just feel like 570s, they look better. Or I could just grow a pair and buy one of these. Look closer to like their side.
That's what I think.
Wow. Oh. That was so loud. Oh my
Talk
god.
about
Oh. Oh my god, dude. Dang. Oh, the LaFerrari.
Oh, please be a left. That's a right man.
No way. No, the LaFerrari. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, the Senna. Holy shit. Well, back to this beauty right here. There is a Supercar and Sunsets later today, but I don't know if I'm gonna go to it yet. You know what, screw it. We'll go to Supercars and Sunsets. Just made it to Supercars and Sunsets, and it's already filling up, and we are 29 minutes early. Here we go. More crazy pull-ins. Oh my god. It's like literally car heaven.
Look at that. That doesn't look reserved either.
No, it doesn't.
There's no cone. I don't see a cone. This is the Ford GT he came in recording.
I still got my wrap for free. It's crazy.
Full carbon red body. Holy crap. So what do they got hiding? Oh, it is. I didn't even notice that. The Holy Trinity and then a Pagani at the end. All-time dream car right there. All time.
Q1?
This one.
Yeah,
918.
this is the better car.
It's the best looking in my opinion. Holy crap.
I mean, it's all functional aero.
The lighting in here makes it so much better.
It looks gorgeous.
That's the first time I've ever seen a Pagani in person. They're a lot better in person than the videos. A lot better. Yeah, this is wild.
I like the wheels.
Yeah, they're really nice. Yeah, these are so nice. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I know it was kind of an abrupt cut, but I wonder if any other day of Car Week is going to be better than this, because we saw Koenigsegg's, we saw Bugattis. I know you guys didn't see the Koenigsegg. It pulled up when I was leaving this car meet, and it was absolutely insane. There were Chirons behind it, but we did get to see a Pagani. We got to see the Holy Trinity. It's going to be hard to top today. I mean, today was absolutely insane. But if you guys did enjoy, make sure you guys do hit the subscribe button, and make sure you guys like the video and leave a comment on what your favorite car you saw today was. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys.